YouTube. I just got a package in the mail from Crescendo, so I thought I'd open it up and let you guys see what I got. Alright, got the new Crescendo bass clef series, BC2000d. Let's get this guy out the box. Got some stickers that came with it, obviously the manual, some Allen keys. Put this stuff over here. Here's the wire and bass knob. Alright, so there she is right there. Oh, let me turn it around. Crescendo bass clef series BC2000d. It's awesome. It's a pretty badass amp. Here's your power and ground, and your speaker inputs, and you've got input output, gain, subsonic, bass boost, remote, LPF, phase, and output master. And there you have it. And there's the bass knob, just a regular bass knob, nothing special or fancy or nothing like that. And obviously the cable that came with. So yeah, that's the update right now. I'm just waiting on the SSA ZCON to get here. Hopefully it will be here by the end of the week. And I'm gonna get it all hooked up and fired up, and I'll have something new for you. Alright, thanks guys.